Hi foodies, welcome back to Klatmic Kitchenette by Nikita Jain. So today's recipe is golden popcorn or caramel popcorn, the theater one which we love to eat every time when we go. So with perfect crunch and perfect measurement, I am going to tell you the perfect recipe of caramel popcorn. Foremost, we will take a pressure cooker. In that we will add some oil. Oil must be enough that the cones, that is plain cones, no flavors. Plain cones can be easily available in grocery shop. We have to add this much of oil that the cones can float inside it. Here I used refined oil. So this much of oil we require that they can float easily, and we will just cover it once it start popping. We will cover the top of the pressure cooker with a plate or something, anything you can cover it, and let it completely ready. Once the cones completely pop out as popcorns, it's unflavored. I'm again repeating, it has no flavor yet. It's just plain cones I had taken. Once it's done, we will transfer the whole popcorns into a bowl or anything which is comfortable for you to use. This, you can see no oil is present. It's completely done, and this much of oil is almost required. Now we will just let it cool down a bit. Meanwhile, we will prepare our caramel for the caramel popcorns. So for that, I had taken 1/4 cup of sugar, and we will transfer this sugar into a pan. Let the sugar melts completely. We will not touch it with any spoon or with any spatula. We will just let it melt. When it start melting a bit, make sure you are using a heavy bottom base and hold the pan is wide enough that the sugar can spread evenly. Do not touch it. Even if you want to make sure that the sugar melts completely like I am doing, you can shake the pan and let it melt. Have patience at this step. Once it start getting golden color a bit, you can then only use a spatula to mix it completely. You can see my whole batter is completely melted and the golden color is approx that much we needed. Now at this point, I'm going to add a bit of butter, around half tablespoon butter I use here. Adding butter will give it a buttery taste. And with this we will add a pinch of baking soda. Baking soda will make the caramel mixture gets foamy, and it will help that the mixture will spread evenly in the popcorns. Now we will add the popcorns we prepared beforehand and will mix it thoroughly with the caramel sauce. Mix well, as mixing is going to be a bit hard because the popcorns are going to be sticky with each other, but you have to mix it by breaking the caramel and let it mix evenly with all the popcorns. Once it's done, your caramel popcorns are perfectly ready. Well, I really like caramel popcorns a lot. If you like, do let me know in the comment section and let me know which next recipe you want to see from me. And once it's done, I am going to transfer my whole popcorns into the bowl for serving. You can see it's just sticky, but when you start eating it, it will get break easily. So here's our crunchy, delicious, instant ready caramel popcorns are ready. You can enjoy it when having a movie time. Now let's listen to the crunch it has. How crunchy and crispy. Do share this recipe if you love caramel popcorn, and please note down all the ingredients I used with the proper measurement here. I had given it. Thank you for watching my recipe. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.